Vivi's text announcements feature, you can share on-screen text announcements to any display in your Vivi network. In order to send announcements to Vivi displays, permission will need to be given to selected users by an IT administrator. Refer to our video on setting up announcements for more information on this. To send an announcement, open the Vivi application. On the Rooms page, select the Announcements tab at the top. Use the Add Destination button to choose which Vivi displays will receive the announcement. From the pop-up, you can select individual rooms, locations, or groups, depending on your permission levels. Once selected, click Add. Enter your message into the text box. You can enter up to 150 characters. Note that this will include letters, numbers, and symbols. A preview of the announcement will be shown on the left side of the Vivi application. Use the slider to choose how long the announcement will be shown on the display, between 1 and 15 minutes. Once complete, select Send Now. In the pop-up, confirm the details and select Send. The announcement will now be shown on the Vivi displays. If the display is currently showing a splash screen, the announcement will appear at the top of the display. If the display is showing signage or a presenter is sharing, the announcement will appear at the bottom of the display. The announcement will automatically disappear after the allocated time. Alternatively, use the End Announcement button in the Vivi application to end it early. Note that the End Announcement button will only be available for the most recent announcement and will disappear if you navigate away from the Announcements tab. Additionally, an announcement can be ended early through Vivi Central. Select Announcements in the left-hand menu, then select End next to the announcement to be removed from the Vivi displays.